Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje kube nezindaba eziphumile regarding umgadli weOrlando Pirates okuRelebohile Mofokeng. Le indaba lezi bafethu angifunanga ukujumpa into conclusions. Ngisheshe ngishaya ivideo ngazo. Bengifuna ukuthola ngempela ukuthi ngabe umbiko uyiqiniso na. Nakuke usuphuma umbiko bekuthiwe lana iPSV Eindhoven have reportedly tabled a 100 million bid for Orlando Pirates star uRelebohile Mofokeng. Umjita bafethu siyamazi wenze eyibukwayo kweBetway Premiership le season esiphuma kuyona. So ama team ase Europe vela yamfuna, but le publication le stated ukuthi ufuna iPSV and imali abayikhiphile imali engango 100 million. Bathe isource yakhona ubani? Ilanga newspaper. Ngathi mina cha, awuthi ngihambe ngiyoyibheka lento labayishoyo. Ngaye kolibheka Ilanga newspaper. Ilanga newspaper ebafisa salazi kulabo abahlala eThekwini. Ilanga sijwayele i-competitor ejwayele ukucompete with iSolezwe. Mase salibheka Ilanga newspaper. Nasi isihloko sasibona kuthiwa kuvela neqembu lePSG kwabagebhele isilomo seOrlando Pirates uRelebohile Mofokeng. Nangempela madoda Ilanga newspaper libhalile indaba regarding uRelebohile Mofokeng. Kuthiwa iclub yaseNetherlands ibeka u100 million ukuthenga uMofokeng. Le indaba zingithusile ngempela kodwa ngihambile ngaya epage leOrlando Pirates. Ngithe ngifika epage leOrlando Pirates, Orlando Pirates yasitshela ngeindaba. Yabo yasitshela kuthiwa club statement on the misleading reporting on Soccer Laduma. Kuthiwa these are fake news, guys. These are fake news. Don't believe everything you see on the internet. I'm not saying nami ngibe right. No, I'm here to provide an update. Babhalile la bafethu kuthiwa i-article epublishwe uSoccer Laduma ngolwesibili 16 July 2025 ebhala ukuthi 120 million for uMofokeng. How's PSV linked to Orlando Pirates sensation? Basho that we wish to place it on record that no such offer has been received by the club. The claims made in the article are not only false but also irresponsible and damaging. As a publication with a long-standing history of South African football, Soccer Laduma is expected to uphold the highest standards of journalism rooted in facts. Yabo, so ungayifundela ke labafethu, but ngamafushe nje basho ngempela ukuthi cha, le indaba lezi imanga Soccer Laduma bafethu hlezi vele ikhipha indaba zamanga. Abantu ngempela bengamele le indaba bayithathe serious. Mofokeng bafethu usawumdlali Orlando Pirates. Akushiwo ukuthi awekho ama team amfunayo at the moment aqhamuka le Europe, but le 100 meter eqhamuka le kwiPSV, there is no such thing eyenzeke namhlanje. Indaba nje lezi bafethu ebezenziwe, angazi mhlambe zokudala umdlalo uMofokeng ayitshela ukuthi mhlambe ufunwa iclub yale eNetherlands, because izinto ezikanje bafethu ziyamesa apha nomdlalo ekhanda. Because let's say you see indaba ezikanje and mina as umakhelwane yakho, let's say uMofokeng umakhelwane wami, I'll go to uMofokeng and I'll be like, "Hayibo, there's a club yaseNetherlands edlala kwiChampions League ekufunayo, but you are still playing for Orlando Pirates. Why don't you take that job and play for iPSV?" Leyo nto leyo ngempela izomdamage umdlalo. Uzobona ngempela ukuthi hayibo shuthi Orlando Pirates iyangivalela ngempela indlela zokuthi ngiyele Europe. Yabo, so into ezikanjalo ngempela bafethu ama journalists ababulala abadlali engawuzi ukuthi zingavalwa ngempela. I wish izinto ezikanjalo angazi kanjani, but I wish izinto ezikanje bafethu zingavalwa, because there is no proof ukuthi PSG came and wanted uMofokeng ngemali engangaka. Indaba nje lezi vele zakhiwa just to cause a drama unnecessary. These news were created to cause a drama unnecessary ngempela bafethu. I so wish iPirates izowenza a decision ebaluleke kakhulu, yenze iset example with these kinds of journalists abamosha ibhola la South Africa. Ibhola phela la South Africa buthina siyalihlonipha.